says peace to those who him adore. In his days the righteous will flourish their joy. Abundance abound till the moon is no more. From sea to great sea he will rule. The river Euphrates to ends of the earth. Let them not return to folly, for salvation is quite near. In our land may the Lord's glory dwell with those who do God fear. Love and truth have met together, righteousness and peace kiss them. Faithfulness brings forth from earth, and righteousness looks down from heaven.